Welcome to Network Compete. My name is Sabir. This video I show up how to fix your DNS problem when you browse and it show this website is not available. First, go to network internet setting and click change adapter option and choose your Wi-Fi adapter and go properties and click IPv4, double click and then choose DNS server address, type 8888 and alternative DNS server 8.8.4.4 and click OK. Now if you browse, I think your problem already fixed. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video and comment if it. Thanks.